In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove an email account from Outlook. So I'm starting here with New Outlook 365 open on my computer. And from the main screen, I'm going to move up to the top left corner and click on File. As soon as I click File, a menu opens, and from here I'm going to select Settings. This takes me into the Outlook settings area where I can manage my accounts. Once I'm in settings, I look for the accounts section. This is where Outlook shows all the email accounts currently connected. To add a new account, I click on Add Account. As soon as I click it, a dialog box appears asking for the email address I want to add. I click inside the field and type the email address of the account I want to connect. After typing the email address, I click Connect. Now Outlook asks me to enter the password for that email account. I type in the password carefully, and once that's entered, I continue to the next step. Outlook may show additional prompts depending on the account, such as verifying identity or approving access. I just follow those prompts as they appear on the screen. This usually only takes a few seconds. Once Outlook finishes setting up the account, I see a confirmation that the account has been added successfully. At this point, I click Done to complete the setup. Now the new email account appears in the account list and it's fully connected. I can switch to it, send emails, and receive messages right inside Outlook. Now if I want to remove an email account, I go back to the same area. I click File again, then Settings, and return to the Accounts section. Here, I can see the list of all connected accounts. I find the account I want to remove, and next to it I click Manage. This opens the account management options. From here I click Remove Account. Outlook asks me to confirm the removal just to make sure I don't remove it accidentally. I click Remove again to confirm, and as soon as I do that, the account disappears from the list. That means it's no longer connected to Outlook. And that's it. I opened New Outlook 365, went to File, selected Settings, added an account by entering the email and password, and clicked Done. Then to remove an account, I went back to Account Settings, clicked Manage, selected Remove Account, and confirmed the removal. The account is now successfully added or removed from Outlook.